Hello everyone, welcome to my ToonSub review, and in this ToonSub review I will discuss all about this ToonSub app, how it works, how you can make money using this ToonSub software. I will show you later, and its full demo overview and all about my exclusive bonuses worth over $33,000. So let's start the ToonSub review. So ToonSub is going to launch on 17th October at 11 a.m. EST time by Akash Gupta and Joydeep on Warrior Plus network. So what is ToonSub software actually? So ToonSub is the world's first artificial based cartoon character builder platform that helps you to create unlimited stunning videos in any niche in just 30 seconds, and you can make money using this. I am showing 4 or 5 options on how you can make money using ToonSub software. I will show you on different 4 to 5 options you can make money using the help of ToonSub software. So this is, and you can get also thousands of pre-made video templates from where you can use to make animated videos, done for you videos using this software with inbuilt unique video and image editor. You will see everything. I will show you the full demo overview. Don't worry, just want to know you the basic information about ToonSub and what you can do with ToonSub. Okay, so you can now generate unlimited animated 3D characters and videos in any niche and use it for yourself or sell it to your clients. I will show you later how you can do this using this ToonSub software. And now you don't need to pay for expensive 3D animated characters and videos from like Render Forest, Bytable, Animoto, Canva or any other site. You can do this using this ToonSub software, and thanks to this ToonSub software and the creators for this brand new artificial intelligence based software, that you will use it never seen before 3D characters and videos. I will show why this is the feature, and this is actually a highly professional 3D animated characters and video builder cloud-based platform that comes with a commercial license. That's why you are allowed to sell your creatives. You can sell it to your clients, this animated sales videos or characters. Okay, so how you can make money using ToonSub? This is the most asked question, because this will create animated characters, this will create animated videos, explainer videos, but actually how you can make money using ToonSub? So this is the most asked question, and this matters because ultimately all of our the last benefit is money, because using this software you need to make money. So you can make money using ToonSub, yes, and there are lots of options. First, improve the engagement of our videos, because if you use animated explainer video or animated characters or animated logo or anything, your video engagement will be high. This is natural, the research says that. And you can earn by selling your 3D illustrations on Fiverr. Yes, you can earn by selling your 3D illustration on Fiverr. See, this is for 3D character. I have searched for 3D character on Fiverr, and see, these gigs have been appeared. I will create 3D character model for you. He is charging $35. I will create 3D printable characters and prop $17. I will 3D cartoon modeling and texturing $90. I will show you how you can create this just one click. Just one click you can create this type of cartoon character, and there are lots of options. I am showing you later everything. Okay, while showing you demo I will also show you how you can make money using Fiverr using this. Okay, then you can create compelling videos. Yes, you can create explainer videos which are animating videos. See, what are the demanding video, how to make explainer video animation. see the views is 1.1 million views. Okay, so this is very in demand and people want to create animated videos that is very highly engaging, and you will get higher engagement on YouTube if you use 3D animated character logo or animated things. Your engagement will high, and you can likewise get more like shares on Facebook and Instagram and any other social media. You will get more response when you use 3D animation characters or 3D related things, cartoon related things, and you will get likewise more conversion and more sales on your landing page, sales page, if you use 3D cartoon characters or video. Okay, so let's go to the demo video how it works. First, I encourage you to show this tutorial. First was this tutorial, the demo and overview, so you will get the full overview idea on yourself, so I highly encourage it. First we are see this is the characters library. Okay, this is pre-made characters. Okay, click family, you have the option of main, outfit female, outfit male and woman. Like main, you can choose anything. These are the option to choose the color. I'm choosing white for example. There are lots of option. Okay, there are lots of option. See, I am clicking this. See, there are lots of characters on man with standing with mobile phone characters. See, you can add to favorite and you can download it. Okay, when you add to favorite, it will go to this. Okay, you can download later. See, so then you have the most, this has 1 lakh plus stock cartoon ready-made cartoon image for you. See, go to back. It takes some time because it's loading tons of images for you, so it takes some time. I am opening another tab. You can also generate characters in just one click. I am showing you, just wait. And this is 3D character. I am showing you how you can create 3D character in just one click. See, okay, this is generate characters. See, you can characters for female and male. Like male, you can also choose female, don't worry. See, you can create unlimited character that is unique. See, regenerate, that will create another, regenerate, and you can add to favorite or download. There are 1 lakh plus character and you can do this unlimited time, and this is unique character you will generate. You are generating characters. This is library and stock library, and this is generate. You can generate your character. Just click regenerate and will generate lots of thousands and lakhs of cartoons in here. Just add to favorite or download. Then photo to cartoon, this is very amazing. See, just if your client give the image, you can turn it into the cartoon. See, I have shown you this 3D character. I will create a 3D character model for you. See, this one, so you can do this in just one click by using the photo to cartoon. Okay, photo to cartoon. So for example, I am selecting an image like this image. Okay, for example, if the background, if you can make your background PNG, like if you remove the background, the cartoon character will more awesome. See, just in one click you have generated an cartoon character from an image, and you can dominate here. Just one click you can create animated 3D character from any image. You just one see, you can dominate here using this photo to cartoon. Okay, then you can, and you can search images. There are tons of search images like man, I have searched before. See, these are all copyright free, you can use it anywhere. These are copyright free. You can animal, these all are copyright free, you can use it for yourselves. Okay, this is commercial rights free, this has no copyrighted, this is full free, you can use it anywhere you want. Okay, there you can search anything this here and see the search videos, and it will also gives you copyright free images. See, I have searched before Dubai cloud, this is, and this is video. Okay, done copyright free video, you can use this video on any YouTube for making YouTube videos and lots of things. These are video. Okay, and you can download the high resolution. Okay, these are all copyright free videos. See, these are all videos. Okay, see the video, and you can download it and use it to make YouTube videos and lots of things, because lots of things are comes with commercial rights and your video can be copyrighted. So this is very charming facility to find commercial right free videos. You can use anywhere you want, it's your own royalty free videos image. Then this comes with video templates. Okay, let's go to Fiverr, search 3D animated sales video. 3D animated sales video. See, because you can also create sales explainer video or anything explainer video. Okay, see, I will create custom 2D or 3D animated explainer or sales video. I will create 3D isometric business marketing sales video, and see what they are charging for. I will create marketing 2D 3D animation sales explainer video. This is very in demand topics, explainer video, and you can do this just like a click. See, animated video templates, these are the templates. You just need the script from your client and you can create in just matter of minutes, because this has the template, just replace the script or text. See, this is ecom video templates, you need to download these templates. Parallax video templates, presentation video templates, titles video templates, cinematic video templates, logo intros templates, logo outros templates, Instagram video templates. All are the animated video templates you can do on this category, and if you upgrade you have the unlimited option to do anything you want to do. And see, you can also do the 3D animated sales video on Fiverr. I am showing also other things. 3D illustration, 3D illustration. See, I will do 3D illustration design for your website app, $50, $80, $200. I will create a 3D character illustration. This is just your one click job. Okay, you can do anything using this ToonSub software or app. So this is actually very awesome feature. You can get unlimited cartoon characters on your choosing niche. See, under the man, lots of category. You can choose the cartoon from library. You can generate your cartoon character. You can create cartoon from video, just one click. You can search images for royalty free images. You can search royalty free videos and download high quality and use it for making videos. And you have the option of sales video templates that you can for sales explainers, you can create for e-com business, you can do for presentation, you just name it, you can do anything you can do with using this TuneSub software. And you have the tutorials, and when you upgrade you will enjoy the unlimited possibilities with this TuneSub software. So this is actually amazing, and literally you can make money using Fiverr, or you can also promote your marketing materials. Like you are a marketer, you can use it for making sales video, you are going to use it for making landing pages, sales pages using the animated characters, or for video making you can use the images, videos, copyright free videos. There are lots of options you can use from this TuneSub software. So this is actually amazing. So you are going to enjoy a launch special discount if you use Tune5 coupon code Tune5. You will get $5 discount when you try to purchase on front end. Okay, and it will active only for 12 hours starting from the launch. Okay, this 17th October from 11 a.m. EST time to 11 p.m. EST time, you will get $5 discount if you use this coupon code TOON5 TOON5. And for the rest of the times you will also enjoy $3 discount if you use this coupon code TOON3 TOON3. So this is the special launch discount coupon. So TuneSub is loaded with awesome features, like you already know that. So you don't need anything to install or download. This is fully cloud based system, you have already seen that. And you can generate and customize unlimited 3D cartoon characters for your project, and millions of pre-made 3D cartoon characters with inbuilt video editor. You have seen it. We are matching with the features. Okay, what you have seen in the demo and what they offered you. Okay, and it all are matching. Thousands of ultra high quality video templates ready to use. It's also true, you are seeing that. Then ultra HD quality intro and outro video templates ready to use. We have seen it. Okay, from here the video templates. Then artificial based image to cartoon converter. Yes, we have seen it, photo to cartoon. And fully artificial based platform. Yes, is this. And you have step by step training. You will get this from here. I have shown it. Complete designing suite, 2 million plus HD stock images. In the library you will get 2 million plus HD stock images. Okay, and 1 million plus ultra HD stock videos. In here you can search videos, you will get royalty free 1 million plus ultra HD videos and 2 million plus images. And you will get also character libraries. From there you will get cartoon images. Okay, and 20,000 plus vector images. Okay, this is the JPXS. You will get it on the main user access area. And preview feature, you will get the preview feature and multiple formats and high quality downloads. So this is absolutely stunning software. Lots of use. You can use it for yourself, you can sell your projects to your client, you can do lot of things using this. This is very, very important software. So here's come to my final opinion. So over 150 top agency owners, marketers and more than 2000 customers have started making money with TuneSub. And till now TuneSub has composed over 1 lakh plus royalty free tracks, and it's really huge. And now it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your conversion, skyrocket your sales, skyrocket your lead collections. Whatever you do, and you can finally being able to turn profit in your business at a one time investment, which is very tiny investment. I obviously recommend you to take this multi-purpose software with which you can do lot of things and all are profitable. So I highly recommend this, and with the special launch time you will get discount. So I highly recommend to use this discount, and these are my exclusive bonus bundle. I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase with my special link, you will get all of the bonuses automatically. The first one is YouTube Velocity. You can set and forget free buyer traffic using this software from YouTube and Google in just 15 minutes. And this is another cool software, traffic getting software. Then this is another software for getting free buyer traffic in any niche you want. Okay, this is also software. This is Genovia software. This is Cleopatra. I use it for myself. This is a software for getting free buyer traffic from LinkedIn, which is a business social media. You can get lots of free leads and traffic from LinkedIn using this Cleopatra software. Okay, and it will automate your profit strategy. Then Golden Stash, this is a domain flipping software. This is Twitex for bringing free high quality traffic from Twitter using this software. This is a genuine software. Then forget about Broke, Nova. This is a software for targeting very targeted audience from TikTok, which is very trending, and this is a software for targeting TikTok audiences. And you will get the also upgrade version with these bonuses of Nova. And Lazy Traffic Sniper, List Lariat, Aerial Assassin, Midas Task, Traffic Underdog, Six Figure Secrets, Traffic Booster, Affiliate Takeoff, the Super Shakedown. This is absolutely awesome. Profit Scope, then Profit Force. All are the make money online software, traffic getting software or method. These are very cool bonuses. Elevate, Accelerate. This is also free traffic. Ultimately, we need traffic. Okay. Goldmine Seeker, and there are lots of bonuses here. Worth over $33,000. I can show you all. But when you will purchase through my special link, you will get all of the bonuses automatically. Just click the access affiliate bonus. So I have put the link in my description below. So this is all about my TunesHub review. I hope you really enjoyed this review video. I encourage you to like my video and subscribe my channel, and I hope this review video will help you to make your purchase decision. And this is obviously a awesome software because this has lots of use you can do with this. I have all explained this. So this is my TunesHub review. This is for today. See you soon.